Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning and very embellished videos of different varieties, different amazing designs. We have to share newly things, ideas, newly attractive videos, and this video is all about the crochet scattered dresses. Crochet scattered dresses are using different things, are crochet fox for different designs of crochet and more creative videos, more stunning and amazingly designed ideas, just looking more amazing videos. And this is so gorgeous videos of scattered dresses. Scattered dresses are using different more fabulous videos, and may you stunning videos, and you can see you, and we are uploading newly videos, newly creative things, newly creative ideas, and you will be amazing videos we have to share with you. We have shared newly videos of scattered dresses, and may Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Like this most creative designs, more stunning videos, and more much amazingly videos, and just looking so pretty designs of scattered dresses. Scattered dresses are used in different countries design and different amazing videos. So I will more stunning and fabulous designs ideas we have to share with you. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be amazing videos, and can do it. Subscribe to our channels and will be press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications, for its main all notifications buttons are used in when it's uploaded for videos. It's you, and immediately notifications are shared with you, and for my totally all YouTube family, all newly members. So keep more fabulous videos, just say some things for newly designs and more amazing videos I have shared with you. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.